Welcome sa zip9.com. This video ay pag-aaralan natin kung paano ba mag-graph ng function, ng linear function in particular, based lamang doon sa kanyang equation, no? Particularly sa slope at saka sa y coordinates. And of course, konting review, ang sabi natin, pag meron tayong linear function na y equals ax plus b, no? Yung kanyang equation, then a is the slope and b is the y intercept, no? So let's try to graph y equals 2x plus 1, no? Or maybe 2x plus, okay, 2x plus 1. So here, ang madaling makita dito is yung b natin or yung y-intercept natin, which is 1, no? Ibig sabihin nitong 1 na to, dun siya dumadaan sa y-axis. This is y equals 1. Ibig sabihin ng number na to, ng b. Y equals b. So y equals 1. So ito yung y-axis natin. Therefore, y equals 1. Ito yan. Ibig sabihin yung 2x plus 1 dadaan siya dito, no? And sabi ni Euclid sa the elements, we only need 2 points to determine a line. So isang point na lang, meron na tayong isa, no? Ang pwede nating tignan dito is yung slope na 2, no? Ibig sabihin ng slope na 2, if we move to the right, 1 unit. If we move to the right, we move 2 units pataas. Here, 2, pwede nating sabihin, sabihin na 2 over 1, di ba? Kasi ang slope ay change in y, no? Change in y over change in x. At ang 2 ay equivalent sa 2 over 1, no? So, ibig sabihin, pag 1 yung change in x natin, positive 1 means to the right, and then yung change in y natin ay 2. So, ito yon, no? Change in y na 1, and then change in, change in x na 1, and then change in y na 2. Ito yung point na yon. Therefore, itong dalawang points na ito ay nasa line, no? So, siguro, we can draw the line using these points, no? Patay nalilikaw, no? Dito yata. So, ibig sabihin yung line na yan, kasama yan. Diyan. Okay? So, yan yung ating line. So, based on this equation, ay na-draw na natin yung line natin. Dalawang, dalawang numbers lang yung slope tsaka yung y-intercept. Let's have our second example. Sabihin naman natin yung kulay. So, for example, y equals 2x. Negative 2x. Y equals negative 2x minus 3. No? Now, again, madaling makuha yung sa y-intercept. No? Here, the y-intercept is negative 3. No? So, ibig sabihin dadaan siya dito. And again, pag negative yung slope natin, ang isang clue natin is pababa yung line. No? So, ibig sabihin, dadaan siya dito at the same time, pababa. At yung negative 2, pwede rin natin siyang change in y over change in x. Pwede rin natin sabing negative 2 over 1 siya kasi negative 2 over 1 is negative 2, right? So, if we move to the right, 1 unit, saan siya? Pag negative, bababa siya, di ba? Kasi yung positive natin kanina pataas. So, pag negative, bababa siya. Ibig sabihin, it will contain this point. Okay, so, we can draw the line through these 2 points. No? Ano ba yan? Okay, so that's our line. No? So, this line is y equals negative 2x minus 3, and this line is equal to y equals 2x plus 1. Okay? Let's have our third example. Ito naman may fraction. Fraction naman yung kanyang slope, no? So for example, y equals, dito na siguro natin ilagay, no? Y equals 1/2 x plus 2. So again, plus 2. Madali siya makita. Plus 2. And then 1/2 x. Ibig sabihin remember yung sa baba, di ba? Yung sa baba is change in x, no? So 2 naman dito, 2. 2 yung x natin. Ibig sabihin 2 to the right kasi wala namang negative. So 2 to the right. As we move the point 2 to the right, and then we move 2 units to the right, we move 1 unit to the, or 1 unit up. Okay? So, as we move 2 to the right, it moves 1 unit up. Okay? So, yan yung ating second point. So, meaning, ito yung ating, this is our line, or this is our graph for the this is our graph for this equation. So this is y equals 1/2 x plus 2. Okay? So I think that's these are enough examples para tayo ay makapag-graph using the y-intercept and the slope. Maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial. By the way, gusto ko yung imbitahan sa zipnayan.com, no? Yun yung ating website, nakalimutan ko ilagay dito, no? zipnayan.com. Nandyan yung ating mga list ng videos at kung gusto nyo pa matuto ng mathematics, punta lang kayo dyan, and of course, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. See you in the next tutorial.